Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be testing out some sleek matte lipsticks and I'm going to be doing some swatches on my lips. That's why I've got nothing on my lips right now. I'm literally just going to be swatching them and testing them out, giving you what I think about them. My friend got me some for Christmas and I'm yet to test them out, so this is why I'm testing them out now. If you're new here, please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So if you want to see what I think about the sleek lipsticks, then please carry on watching. So they came in a set of 4 and they look like this. So I've got a brighter purple, a red, a nudie pink and then a deep purple. So I'm going to test out the red first. So it says Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream and you get 3 millilitres of it. And yeah, it just looks like this. It's quite cute. They are small versions of them, I think. Yeah, they just came in a set of 4. Okay, so that's really red. That's like really bright. Okay, so this is what the red looks like. It's quite a bright red. I do like it though. The bottom lip is starting to dry and I think it looks a lot nicer when it's dried. I think you might have to layer up the colour a bit because up here on the top of my lip, I don't know if you can see it, it's like doesn't look as bright as the bottom lip, so I feel like you have to layer it up slightly. But that looks quite cute. I actually quite like that colour. I never used to like reds because I used to have dark hair, but since I've been blonde I feel like I suit reds more, so this is actually quite nice for me, like now. So now I'm just going to go and wipe this off and then I'll be back to test the second colour. Okay, so I've just taken it off my lips and it's actually stained my lips so badly. So I'm going to take some of the Collection Lasting Concealer and I'm just going to put this on my beauty blender and cover over my lips so that the red doesn't come through in any of the colours. Obviously it probably won't with the purples, but just cover it up. That actually looks so gross. Next I'm going to take this one. So this is the darkest purple and then this is the lighter purple. I'm going to take the lightest purple and do exactly the same as I did before and cover over these horrible lips. My lips are going to feel so gross by the end of this. So they're quite creamy. Yeah, they're quite nice. I really like this colour. I like purple lipsticks though, so that might be why. Okay, so out of the red and this colour, I like this colour more. It's a really nice colour and it's dried down at the bottom so nicely. I don't even know how like people do lip swatches with like over 20 colours. Is it like Shan XO? I always watch her. She did lip swatches of Jeffree Star's lipsticks, the matte lipsticks, and like she literally did so many. I don't know how she would do that. The like consistency of the lipstick is really nice, like they're really quite nice. I think this one feels nicer than this one. I think this one's better in general, like overall, but this one's still nice. So now I'm going to go take off that one as well and then I'll be back to do the third lip swatch. So I've done the same again and put the concealer over my lips again to get rid of the purple. That one was a lot easier to actually like get the lipstick off, which was quite nice. I think it was just because it dried down properly. Next I'm going to be putting the darkest purple on my lips and testing it out. Okay, so this one's drying quite quickly. So this is really quite like dark. Okay, so with this colour I think you have to layer it up like equally over the whole lip, otherwise you can see where it's like quite, it's not as dark in some places. But it's quite a nice colour, I'd definitely wear it. They look awful right now though, my lips. Just because, yeah, my lips look awful right now just because these are ruining my lips because I'm putting them on one after the other and like ripping, like feels like I'm using sandpaper when I'm taking them off. But yeah, this is actually quite a cute colour. But as I said earlier, I do like purples. So I'm going to go take off this lipstick again, and then I'm going to be putting on the last one. Hopefully this one looks alright because I'm planning on wearing it to work, because that's why I've got ready. So hopefully this should be okay. I'll be back. Okay, so my lips are officially feeling gross. So as I said a minute ago, the final one that I'm going to be using is this nudie colour. And I said hopefully this looks alright because I'm going to work. I've had to actually put foundation like over my lips because it's ruined all of here, and the red is still showing through. I like this colour. So please excuse the like outside of my lips. That's obviously just stained from the purple lipsticks. However, this colour is really nice. It's quite pinky, and I don't usually like pinky nudes, but these aren't actually too bad, and they actually dry down quite quickly, whereas some lipstick, like matte lipsticks that I've tried before, like take a while to dry down. So overall these matte lipsticks are actually really nice. I liked all of them. They have a nice consistency, they dry quite quickly. They are really dry, but that's the same for all matte lipsticks I find. I definitely recommend getting them because they're only Sleek, so you can find them in Superdrug, and I think Sleek's quite reasonably priced. I think these are just the miniature versions. I think you can get larger versions, but as I said, I got these as like in a gift set from my friend Zoe. My lips are in agony right now, like they actually hurt. But yeah, so overall I really do like these, and I think the colours are lovely, and I will buy some more colours in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I am uploading weekly. Wednesday is usually the day that I upload. If you have any video ideas, please let me know. Just message me or comment down below. And if you want to see any more videos like this, then I definitely will try them, just as long as my lips don't hurt as much as they do right now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!